Hello, and welcome to another day of English 2. I'm your online teacher, Miss Bear. We have been working on a free speech and social media argument writing task. As a reminder, this is Unit 6 from Common Lit, and if your teacher needs to find the resources for this unit, they can find them on the Common Lit website under Unit 6, Free Speech and Social Media. Today, in this unit, we have been digging into our essential question: how do you convince people that you're right, so that your position is the right position? Your belief is the belief that someone else should follow. So that is kind of the basis of any argument, is that you want to convince someone else that your side is the correct side, the right side, or the best side to be on an issue. And so for this particular unit, we've been exploring the First Amendment right to free speech, specifically with students and social media and in schools, and how far does that First Amendment cover these students. And so today, we are going to be writing that argument essay. You're going to be expressing your point of view on this important topic. Now, one of the things that you've been doing is keeping up with a graphic organizer that should have all of the information from each of the articles that you've read. You need to make sure that you have that in your hand today as we kind of go over a few things and you get ready to draft your argument. So, are you ready? All right, our essay prompt is: should schools be allowed to punish students for what they write on social media? You're going to write an argumentative essay using evidence from your research to support your ideas. Now, that research comes in the form of all of those articles that we've read, the videos that we watched, those discussions that you have had in class with your classmates. So let's see what you need to be focusing on for this essay. Here we go. What is research? So it's developing a research question, which we've already been given, finding those reliable sources, you've been given those, reading and taking notes, you have been doing that the entire unit, debating and synthesizing. Guys, you did that the last couple of units, or I'm sorry, the last couple of lessons, you've been debating and really synthesizing the information that you have been learning from that research. And today, in the rest of this unit, you're going to be drafting and revising. And so, one of the things that you really need to understand is the idea of synthesis. Synthesis is taking all of the information that you have learned, kind of processing it through your head, and then coming up with your own ideas based on that information. And so you did that through debate. You've done that in all of your classroom discussions. That synthesis is something that is natural and normal at your age of development. So synthesis is a big word for something that just means you've processed that information and you have come up with your thoughts on that information. So that's a great word for you to consider as we write this essay. So I want you now to draft that first part of your essay. So over the next several lessons, you're going to revise and strengthen the essay. But today, you are going to draft your essay. And so you should have this handout that's on your screen that says Unit 6 Essay. It gives you the essay prompt. It walks you through writing your first draft. So that is all that I have for today, because I want to give you the entire time to draft that first part of your essay. Remember all of the other units that we've worked through and how we write an essay, and then we're going to We're going to go back to some of those ideas and kind of relearn them tomorrow. But first, I want you to get all of those ideas out on paper before we get ready to do some revision. So until next time, happy reading and happy writing.